but you got to keep on trying anyway. But you got to keep on trying anyway. You can't let it go.
What's up, y'all? This is Grandmaster Caz from the legendary Cold Crush Brothers. We at 103.3 FM up in Charlotte, and I'm doing my thing with Hip Hop Rises, alright? The movement, you better get with it or be without it. Got my nephew Caliber, alright? I got Lottie Dottie in the building, and the whole movement is in the building. We about to go in there, get on the radio,
right now,
and take over the joint, alright?
Right now.
Nigga, and I mean that in the nicest. Search on the web, don't nobody do it like this. Hotter than the sun, I'm colder than the ice pick. Rocking like the one, but a nigga on that 5 shit. Stocking up the guns, we don't like surprises. Can't walk in my shoes, I fit too many sizes. Riding, join us, you can't beat us. Can't play in the game if you watch it from the bleachers. We the lions, you the cheaters. We the giants, you the divas. I'm a pilot, I'm a leader, so I ain't a heavy tweeter.
All right, people, go ahead and turn up. It's another Saturday, and I want to welcome you to the Good Life Radio Show right here on 103.3 FM, WGIV, the soul of Charlotte. And we got a real special guest in the building for y'all tonight. One time for my co-host in the building, Forever. You know they call me Mr. Goodfella, man, and I keep some fat sack of goodies. What's up, Ever?
Oh, man, everything's popping tonight, yo. It's a great night, and we got a whole lot of good people in the building, so ready for everybody to introduce themselves.
Already, man, we got the homie Caliber in the building. What's happening with you, man?
Everything's wavy. Your boy Caliber's in the building. CALIBA, Greenlight Entertainment, Hip Hop Rises.
Now, Caliber, you brought a treat in here. Now, normally I keep a fat sack of goodies. You know, I keep something up my sleeve. But today, man, you brought a real special treat up in here, man.
Yeah, man, I want Charlotte. Like, what up, Charlotte? First of all, man, I want y'all to understand hip hop lives here. And I brought my unk down. You know, the legendary pioneer Grandmaster Caz from the Cold Crush Brothers. You dig? And it's going down serious.
All right, so what's up, fam? Go ahead and holler at the Queen City, man.
What's up, y'all? It's the grandest of them all. Even your mama fall for Grandmaster Caz, Boogie Down Bronx, Cold Crush Brothers, Architect, Pioneer, Legend. The list goes on. But I'm here.
Yeah, man, we definitely appreciate you being here too, man. You are a pioneer in the game, man. And right now, man, hip hop is at a different level from when you started. And I really want to jump into a few questions with you real quick, man.
Sure.
Talk to me about the game right now, man. The hip hop game.
Well, the game is just that, a game. You know what I mean? Whenever economics get, crossbred with culture, it waters down the culture. I mean, that's historically, it's always been that way. And the same thing with hip hop. And right now we at a point where there's not really much culture involved in it. It's all just a race to the dollar bill. At the expense of the culture of hip-hop.
Now see, back in your day, people wasn't doing it for the money or for the fame. They did it as an art. You know what I'm talking about?
Exactly. That's the exact difference. A lot of people have a different agenda. When we did hip-hop, it was pure because we had no agenda except, just trying to, do what we love doing. It was a passion that we had for it, and we did it. It cost us money to do it. Not only were we making money from it, but it cost us money to do it.
Right.
That's one of the things we invested in ourselves and our culture. And it wound up being $1 billion industry.
Now let me ask you this right here. You got a lot of people in the building with you, man. And I don't want to exclude anyone. I want everybody to be able to introduce themselves. But at the end of the day, I want you to go ahead and let me know who these folks are in the building with you right now.
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce the person that I brought with me. Basically, she and I are with them.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to let my nephew introduce everybody. I just want y'all to know that Lottie Dottie is in the building. All right.
Lottie
Dottie, you know what I mean?
Hey, Lottie. Hey, that's what's up, man.
She's crossed, you know what I mean? She's between the two leagues, you know what I mean? New York and North Carolina, you know what I mean?
718, 704.
She got it all in her, you know what I mean? She's an artist and she coming out, you know what I mean? She's going to be rocking with my people's guy here. But I'm going to let Caliber, my nephew, let you know who everybody else is.
That's what's up, Caliber, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with the Good Life Radio Show tonight. And you know what's going down? Officially, man, the official JSU After Hours spot up inside Charlotte's #1 reggae spot, Club Crystals. 3018 The Plaza, man. Everybody absolutely free before midnight tonight. It is going down. Yo, man, every Saturday night, we're open until 4 o'clock in the morning, man. We shut the city down. And speaking of JCSU, one time for all the alumni out there in the city. Caliber, who we got in the building with us, man?
Listen, man, I got my homies from the Bronx, from 184th and Marion, creators of a new breed. My homie Jay Guns, artist is in the building. I got my man Jay Network in the building from Greenlight Entertainment, always repping with me. And a Dollar in the Dreams Photography is in the building. What up, Glenn? We gonna do it big, man. It's just a conglomerate that we building, man, to let everybody know what we doing. What up, Guns?
What up, Charlotte, man?
That's what it is. That's what it is. So real quick, man, I want to talk to this new artist. What's up? What's up with the new artist, man? I keep hearing about you, dog. Go ahead and talk to the QC. What's your name, man?
Artists always writing the illish.
That's what I'm talking about. Look, you gotta mess me up with that one. So real quick, where can we hear you out there in cyberspace?
You can find me on datpiff.com, painting pictures illustrated by artists.
That's what I'm talking about. Look, man,
Mixtape is fire.
Real quick, man, I want to say shouts out to everybody listening. Check us out, people. I want to take requests right now. Can we take some requests?
Yeah, let's go get that.
704-553-1370, people. It's the Good Life Radio Show right here.
What up,
on
Charlotte?
WGIV. Let's do what we do, people. Keep it locked right here.
Yeah, you spelled it right, nigga. Let's go.
Hey, do it on the dolo. Charlotte is the quiet, just my time for a solo. Looking super sharp, old bitches taking photos. Young babes love it, throw passes like Romo. Dick 'em down in slow-mo. Ain't no peace, John Kreese of the dojo. Got it for the low-low. Less a nigga popo, then it's just a no-go. Might get him a choco. Deer in the street, head up against the Volvo.